Welcome to this short demo of Commerce for Manufacturers. Get ready for an Amazon-style experience. Here we are in the sales portal of a medical technology provider. I am the customer and I want to buy spare parts for my existing equipment. This is the surgical table that I need to find spare parts for. In this 2D view, I can simply select what I need and add it to the cart. I can even explore it from a 3D view. Or select from a list and confirm my choice in a side-by-side view. I have added all my items to my cart. I can adjust the number of items and even see my account discount directly applied. I could even check out directly via credit card. Or alternatively, I can send an inquiry of these products with an additional question about the delivery speed. Within a few minutes, a sales rep can confirm my inquiry, create a professional quote, and help me purchase my spare parts on the same day.